Hello, I have recently got this carbon monoxide detector and I would like to check what is inside of this kind of devices. Let's unbox it. Got the sensor, some screws, and the flyer. This is pretty standard model. It has mountable plastic case, LCD, test button and some LEDs. When I push the test button, it should start the alarm and show the measurement on the LCD and make short acoustic signal. I will cover the microphone so it won't be damaged. Okay, here we go. I don't know if on video it will be as loud as it is in real life, but it's pretty loud actually. So on the LCD we got 2 ppms of the reading. For my personal health and camera safety, I will try to disconnect the buzzer for the tests. To do so, I need to open this one up. So let's tear it apart. There's PCB. Okay. Okay, so what do we have here? We have some LCD driver. With LCD, this is, I believe, piezoelectric buzzer. We have 2 diodes, 2 LEDs. One is for low battery indicator and the other one is for blinking once in a while to know that our driver is operational. We have a push button. This is, I believe, some power regulator, voltage regulator. I do not know what this is. This is maybe some smoke detector. This is potentiometer. I think it is to set the threshold to start the alarm. There is no signs on this chip, so I do not know what it is. This is some chip. This is, I believe, from Texas Instruments, so it can be some processor, some controller. These are, I believe, transistors for carbon monoxide sensor. On the opposite side, okay, this is, I believe, carbon monoxide sensor and some crystal. So as I said before, I'm not sure what this sensor is, but if it's smoke detector, it can be radioactive. So I will leave it as it is, and I will only disconnect the piezoelectric buzzer. Okay, let's put this thing together. Okay, so in my next video I will measure the power consumption of this device and I will see what I'm dealing with here, in order to design my Peltier harvester system to replace the batteries. Thanks for watching and see you next time.